Rob Frazier here. This video, 3-hour cash machine mini review and how to teach your team traffic. 3-hour cash machine mini review and how to teach your team traffic. So first off, this system was created by a guy named Ahmed Ali. He is an internet marketer, and his primary language is not English. So I say that in the beginning because if you see a couple of misspelled words or the pronunciation isn't 100% correct, not like even us American folks can get our English right and punctuation and all that kind of stuff. So if you see a couple things like that throughout this whole system, just understand that the gentleman who created this system, his first language is not English. However, he did a bang-up job on this whole system. So first off, this is one of the capture page. Generate up to 100,000 visitors per month to your primary business and make up to 1,900-ish per month, working less than 3 hours per day. So basically, what he is teaching is how he is getting traffic. Before I get into this, this is a system centered around Leads Leap. And there's a lot of Leads Leap systems that I was using that were all splash pages. Not to get too deep, but this right here is a capture page. When you go to a page like this, the only purpose is to put in an email address. So it captures your email address. Splash pages, you don't really collect lead information. So I was kind of low-key looking for a capture page system that centered around this whole thing. Mr. Ahmed Ali came up with it, and here it is. So, trying to keep this as basic as possible, this is a system you can set up 100% free. However, there are certain benefits for upgrading. However, you can set the whole thing up for free right now today if you want to. And what this will allow you to do is to build an email list, learn how to get traffic. So 2 things. You can build an email list for free using this free system, and you can learn how to get traffic for free using this system. So putting those 2 things together, you have a basic system that I am now going to 100% recommend, especially for the new folks getting started. I didn't start making money online until I started building an email list and getting my traffic. My first mentor, Shay Feemster, shout out, saw a video of him talking, you've got to get your traffic game up. I didn't understand what that meant for maybe like 2-3 years after I saw that video, but once I got my traffic game up, my income game went up. And it's just that simple. My traffic went down, my income went down. And you're not just going to, traffic is just basically people clicking on your website. Website visitors, traffic, same deal. The whole point is to get enough traffic to your websites to get a percentage of those people to buy or to subscribe or to whatever. I mean, that's just how affiliate marketing works. So, quick mini review. Here's the main page. You opt in. You're going to see a little bridge page. He's going to talk about the system. And it's basically a 3-step system. You come in, you're going to join Viral Lightning. You can join it for free. He talks about why in the video here. You're going to join Leads Leap for free. He talks about why in this video here. Step 3, this is the part that I like. You have the opportunity to put in 2 other programs that you wish to promote. In my case, I'm promoting my fast track to full-time affiliate marketing system, and I'm also promoting my passive crypto profits strategy. That's not related to any one opportunity. What I'm teaching how I'm building up my Bitcoin, and I'm also teaching my fast track to full-time. So those are my 2 things that I've put in here. You can put whatever 2 programs you want. And in fact, when you set up the default funnel, it's just simply going to say program 1 and program 2. So just understand that. Once you do all that, how do I set this whole thing up? How do I create my Leads Leap account? How do I get the share codes? How do I get these same web pages? It's all covered in this done for you on the training area. You click on that, and this is what it basically looks like. You got the Facebook group to show up to ask questions, because it's just is what it is. One thing that I've recently learned is that you cannot just send people to a video. Say, hey, go watch the videos, and then expect them to get it, because we all learn differently. So we have the Facebook group for the support. We have the done for you the video training for those who can just watch the videos and figure it out. We also got his YouTube channel that you can subscribe to ask him questions directly. But if you join in this, you're watching this video through me, you're going to get access to it myself as well. I got my own Facebook group that I talk about traffic. And what I'm going to be doing is taking this 3-hour cash machine sales funnel and putting it together with the Cash Juice plan. What is the Cash Juice plan? This video will be on my YouTube playlist where I cover all of that. And what I'm going to be doing is putting together an onboarding package. I've been in affiliate marketing full-time since a long time. 2012, 2011, I started got into it right before I left the Marine Corps. And the biggest problems that I always came across is people don't know what they're selling, people don't know how to sell it, and watching the videos in the getting started area is just simply not enough, because we all learn differently. I taught recruits, I've taught Marines. You have to break some things down Barney style for some people. Some people, you need to lay it out in writing. Some people, you need to lay it out in video form. Some people just needs the audio. Some people needs accountability. So what I'm doing is putting together a getting started package, and this will apply to anyone who has joined me in anything. Many of the programs over the years, I'm putting together a big getting started package that's going to include everything in it for those folks who don't know the terminology, for those folks who don't know where to log in. And it's not a bad thing. It's just we all learn different. This computer thing there's nothing, it's all online. And so when you try to learn something 100% on a computer, you don't quite get it. You don't learn how to tear apart an engine out of a motorcycle by just looking at the videos. You actually have to get the wrenches, turn some nuts and bolts, wrestle with a few bolts that are stuck on the motor, that kind of thing. So that's what I'm going to put together as well. But just putting this out there, this is what I'm going to be focused on primarily. Everything that I am a part of is going in the back end. And if you follow me for a while, you'll know how this goes. This is the first time you come across me on YouTube. Name's Rob Frazier, spent 12 years in the Marine Corps. I do affiliate marketing full time, and it's my intent to help a lot more people out there become full time in affiliate marketing and to move on for other things. So, fast track to full time. My passive crypto profits are my two things that I'm promoting here within this sales funnel. But again, this whole sales funnel is free. It teaches traffic. What I've personally learned is that when people when people are promoting stuff, people don't necessarily care about a business. They want to know how to get traffic to their stuff. And if you can teach other people how to get traffic by simply opting into this page and creating their own system like this and following the training and join through all of your affiliate links, odds are they're going to join you in business too, because they're getting that value from you. So that being said, wrapping this video up, my mini review, how to teach your team how to get traffic of the 3-hour cash machine. Again, I'm placing this with the Cash Juice plan. So the whole idea is once you set up this sales funnel, that's like, the first phase. Step 1 is to go underneath this YouTube video, find this link, put your email in, watch this video. Click here to get started. watch this video, and when you get to this part, get a hold of me before we go to the training area. That's the first phase. Once you do that, we're going to get this whole thing set up for you. Go and work together. I'll help you get this whole thing set up for you. And then the second phase would be learning that cash juice plan. So the first phase, getting the 3-hour cash machine, whole shebang set up. The second phase is getting the cash juice. I said cash machine. Getting the cash juice plan, which is its own traffic methods. I'll get you that information as well. I know it's a lot, but I'm going to break it down. I'm going to start breaking it down, and that's the big thing I noticed in myself. I like to just throw so much stuff in one video, and it's just like, so you know, we need to slow it down, one thing at a time. So that's what we're going to focus on here. So that being said, Rob Frazier here, wrapping this video up. Link is going to be in the description. I also include a link to the YouTube playlist that talks about the cash juice plan. And in fact, I'll put this video in that cash juice plan YouTube playlist as well. Because the whole idea is to follow the cash juice plan to get 500 clicks per day to this page right here. And from there, we're just going to keep scaling it up to 100,000 visitors a month. Link is below. Name's Rob Frazier. See you in the next one.